Hey you guys, alright, so I'm back with another Hairvivi review. So in the box, it comes with a few goodies, a comb, home care instructions, and some clips. Alright, and also here's the wig. It comes packaged really nicely. So this is the old fake scalp method. As you guys can see, you can stretch it. It's easily to rip and tear. Okay, so in today's video I will be showing you all the new fake scalp method. Okay, so this is the new fake scalp method. As you all can see, it's a whole different design. It has like this mesh over top of the cap, so you know it'll last a little bit longer. You don't have to worry about ripping and tearing and things like that, because those were a couple of concerns in the past with the first make of the fake scalp method. Alright guys, so you all see this is what the wig looks like fresh out of the box. That's the hairline. It does come pre-bleached and pre-plucked, of course. You can wear this wig with or without a wig cap. It looks super natural, and of course you can part it anywhere. And that's what also the natural wave pattern looks like with the hair. Okay, but like I said, you can part it anywhere, which is very nice, because you can wear this wig however you want to. You can do braids, you can do half up half down styles, you can do buns. It's just whatever you want to do with this wig. Okay, it's super versatile. Alright guys, so this part is definitely optional. As you guys can see, the wig looks great without the baby hair, but I'm just a baby hair fanatic. You guys already know it. So I'm just cutting little pieces, and I'm going in with my mousse, and I'm just going to lay those baby hairs to my liking. Like I said, you do not have to do this at all. It's just my preference. Hey guys, okay, so I just recorded this whole video 2 times. Okay, so both times, the first time my microphone was not on, then the second time my microphone had a glitch in it. So this is ultimately the third time of me trying to record this video. I just want to get through it. Alright, so you guys saw at the beginning of the video I did an unboxing and also a styling. This wig comes from hairvivi.com. Alright, so this is what it looks like. It does not come with the baby hairs, okay, but as you all saw, it was very easy. All I did was literally section off a little bit and cut it shorter, and then just laid the baby hairs with like some mousse. I didn't do a lot. I didn't do anything like too strenuous or anything like that. I do not have the in-depth specs of this wig, but all of that will be down below. I just do not have it off of the top of my head. Let me make sure y'all can see I got some clothes on. But I just don't have that off the top of my head. So this is what the hair looks like, and this is the natural wave pattern, okay? So this is the hairline. Get kind of close so y'all can see what the hairline looks like. The hairline looks great in my opinion. I think the hairline matches my skin tone perfectly. I know some people that have ordered from Hairvivi, they say that their wig is over bleached. However, my wig is not over bleached. Like, I feel like it just matches. It matches really, really, really well. So well that it's almost scary. So this is the wave pattern that it has, okay? It's giving me like island type of vibes, okay? So that is the wave pattern. Of course, you guys can flat iron it, you can curl it, you can do whatever you want to do with it. This wig is very versatile. Let me show you guys. All right, as you guys can see, you can wear this wig wherever you want to wear it. Okay, so for people who are saying you cannot wear it wherever you want to wear it, you definitely can. All right, just because it comes in a certain part, it's just set like that, you could definitely train it to go whatever other way that you like it to go. So this is a newer wig that Hairvivi is featuring, okay? And I know you probably like, what new wig? So as you guys saw in the first beginning of the video, they did come out with a fake scalp method. It was like their first fake scalp method, okay? So the first fake scalp method, they got a few problems with it and things like that. Some people were saying that the cap was ripping, and other issues that they had, so they did remake it, and they made it to where it's a layer over like the cap, so now it doesn't rip or anything like that, and it lasts a whole lot longer, so you don't have to worry about that. So if you have had the older fake scalp wig, this is an improvement. All right, so yes, I did show you guys that up close. I will try to maybe insert it somewhere else also. All right, so the wig does come with combs, and also you do have your elastic band, and it is an adjustable cap in the back. All right, so I do have my elastic band on, but I like to go in with some gel and put it on my sides, because sometimes the elastic band doesn't hold down my sides very well, so I like to make sure those are held down. Like I said, this wig is very, very versatile. I did bring it to y'all in its natural state. So this is the natural little wave pattern that it has. But you can put this up, like in my first two videos, I actually had it up. All right, so here's a style that you guys can wear. Very fun, very flirty. If you do want it to be more defined, of course, you could like gel it up or whatever, put some product in it to make it more defined. But me, y'all know I'm more about like that messy, more so of natural look. So you guys can see this looks super natural, and it looks really good. This is just one of many styles that you guys can do with this wig. Okay, so like I said, all of the specs and everything will be down below. hopefully I didn't miss anything. I hope not. But anyways, if you guys have been thinking about trying Hairvivi, what are some of your concerns? Any questions that you have? Did you have the old fake scalp wig? What problems did you have with the old fake scalp wig? And will you be trying the new upgraded fake scalp wig? Just let me know all your thoughts down below, and we'll definitely discuss. And yeah, I'll see you on my next one.